Hello and welcome to CTS at CBe-learn. My name is Mr. Overland and it's my honor to help you enroll in one of our CTS courses. Our CTS content is organized into pathways. Each pathway is comprised of 1 credit courses that align with career and occupational opportunities. You, like all CTS at CBe-learn students, have enrolled in our master class FIRS, and we'll ask you to give us a little bit more information before we complete your enrollment. I made a little video that I thought would help. Let's get started. I'm going to walk you through the process necessary to enroll in a CTS course at CBe-learn. If you've completed CTS courses before, you must obtain a copy of your high school transcript from your school or a detailed academic report from this website to be sure that you're not going to select any duplicate courses. If you've never taken a CTS course, you can skip that step. Once you have a copy of your transcript or the knowledge of the courses that you've previously taken, you can then research our pathway and course offerings using our CTS at CBe-learn Pathway Research tool. You can click the description of any of the pathways to be taken to the corresponding 1 credit courses on our CBe-learn website. This gives you a description of the different 1 credit courses inside of the pathway. To use our course picker, you're going to select the link right here. And then you're going to start filling out your form. I had to switch it there, I was in a teacher view. So, student view, CTS course picker, start going through the questions. First name, last name, current grade level, your full-time high school, then click next. Now here's a section where it was important that you had your transcript or your DAR, because you're going to want to tell us which classes you've completed with over a 50% mark. So you have to have passed the 1 credit course to mark it down here. So if you are just joining us, you're grade 10, you want to select nope, never taken any of these CTS courses before. If you have taken CTS courses before, you want to make sure that you check this list carefully, and if they're on this list, you check them off. If they're not on this list, that's fine. It won't affect anything, so you don't have to record them. So if I've taken this legal studies course before, I would put a check mark there. Maybe I've taken aging, then I would say next. So now here is where you're gonna choose your pathway. So look at the drop-down menu here. You can kind of scroll through. Let's say you were looking at the research tool and you decided, man, I really like the look of sports psychology. So then you would go next. And here you can see these are the 1 credit courses. Now I would almost always recommend that you start with the course with the lowest number, 1050, because that is the beginner course. As you go on and you get into higher numbers, you're going into intermediate and advanced courses. So I would pick Sports Psychology 1 as the course I want to take first. I'd hit submit, and then that would be all I need to do. So the other thing I want to mention is if you hit submit and it isn't exactly the course that you wanted, you can always choose to submit another response by clicking this link, and that'll take you right back to start it again. So if we see that someone submitted 2 responses, we'll just take the one they submitted the latest version of it. So thank you for tracking with the video. Once you've submitted your response, it'll take us between 1 to 2 days usually to get you enrolled in the D2L shell, and then your teacher will contact you and get you started on the course. Thanks for listening. We'll see you in CTS. Bye.